So in this video, you'll learn how to enable or disable fast wireless charging on your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7. So if you want your Z Fold 7 to be charging quickly, even if you're using a wireless charger, what you're going to do is just navigate to settings. Once you're in settings, you're going to scroll and select the option battery, and then look for charging settings and tap on it. You should see the option fast wireless charging. So what you're going to do is just tap on the toggle like that to enable it. And so now, whenever you're using your wireless charger, which means that your phone does have to be closed like this, then what you're going to do is just grab the wireless charger and place your phone directly on it. Once you do that, as long as it's a compatible wireless charger, it should start charging quickly because fast wireless charging is enabled. However, if you do want to disable this feature, then you can just always go back to the settings app. And then once you're in settings, you can scroll and select battery, tap on charging settings, and then tap on the toggle to turn it off. And so that's how you can enable or disable fast wireless charging on your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.